Hello, my name is Kevin. I am a lawyer with 15 years of experience, and now I will tell you what to do if your Accurate background check has failed. Accurate Background is a company that provides comprehensive background check services for corporate clients, employers, and organizations seeking to ensure the accuracy of information about their potential and current employees. By collecting, analyzing, and verifying personal data, educational and professional experience, as well as many other aspects, the company helps minimize hiring risks and ensures compliance with security and reliability requirements. Background checks conducted by Accurate Background include various types of verifications, from criminal history and reference checks to social media analysis and drug testing, providing a comprehensive understanding of the candidate's background. For Accurate Background, background checks are a key tool that allows their clients to make informed hiring decisions, reduce the risks associated with employing unsuitable candidates, and increase the level of trust and security within companies. Thus, Accurate Background plays an important role in maintaining high standards of personnel policy and risk management for businesses of various scales, from startups to large corporations, ensuring the reliability and legality of the background check process. How long does Accurate Background check take? The time required to complete a background check by Accurate Background screening can vary depending on a number of factors, including the depth and breadth of the requested information, as well as the efficiency of data collection from various sources. Typically, a basic check can take from several days to 1 week. However, more complex checks, which require detailed analysis of many aspects, such as educational and criminal background, reference checks, and previous employment, can take from 1 to 2 weeks, and sometimes longer. Specific aspects, such as international checks or checks of special licenses, can also increase processing time. It is important to note that the accuracy and completeness of the information provided by the candidate significantly affect the speed of the process. Errors or incompleteness of data can lead to delays. How far back does Accurate Background check go? Generally, how far back does Accurate Background check go is determined by factors such as the type of check being performed and legal limitations. For instance, criminal background checks might look back 7 to 10 years, in compliance with the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, guidelines, which some states use as a standard for reporting. However, certain jurisdictions may have different rules, allowing for a more extended or shorter period of history to be examined. Additionally, the scope of the search can be influenced by the nature of the position being applied for. For example, roles requiring high security or trust might necessitate a more thorough investigation into one's past. It's crucial for both employers and candidates to understand these nuances to set appropriate expectations and ensure compliance with all relevant laws and standards. Step-by-step instruction for correcting errors in Accurate Background check status. Errors in background checks can damage your reputation and chances of successful employment. If you face such a problem, it is important to act quickly and efficiently. Here is a detailed instruction that will help you correct the deficiencies. Step 1. Obtaining a copy of the background report. Action. Request a copy of your background report from Accurate Background. By law, you are entitled to a free copy of the report if a negative decision about hiring or another action was based on it. Step 2. Thorough analysis of the report. Action. Carefully review the received report for inaccuracies or errors. Determine which information is incorrect. Step 3. Collecting necessary evidence. Action. Gather all documents and information that prove the inaccuracy of the information in the report. This can include court decisions, educational certificates, workbooks, etc. Step 4. Filing an official dispute. Action. Write an official letter to Accurate Background, indicating the errors found and attaching all collected evidence. Specify your request to correct the inaccurate data. Step 5. Tracking the dispute resolution process. Action. After filing the dispute, the company must review your request within 30 days. Monitor the progress of this process. Additional information may be required. Step 6. Checking the corrected report. Action. Once the company informs you of the results of the review, request a copy of the updated background report and make sure all errors have been corrected. Step 7. Further actions in case of refusal to correct. Action. If the company refuses to correct errors or you disagree with the results, you can contact the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, or your local consumer protection agency to file a complaint. Additional tip: Do not forget to keep copies of all documents sent and correspondence with the company that conducted the check and other organizations. This may be useful in case of further legal disputes or as evidence in the process of resolving your issue. Following this instruction, you can effectively manage the process of correcting errors in background checks and protect your rights. Life stories. Story 1. Leonid and the erroneous criminal record. Leonid faced an unexpected problem when he discovered that his candidacy for a new job was rejected due to a criminal record in the background report from Accurate Background. Leonid, who had never violated the law, was puzzled. After turning to our legal company, he received support in disputing this error. We helped Leonid gather the necessary evidence of his innocence and successfully corrected the error in his background report. Story 2. Cassandra and education issues. When Cassandra did not receive the expected promotion due to an alleged absence of higher education in her background report from Accurate Background, she was confused. After all, Cassandra had graduated from university with honors. Seeking assistance, she provided us with all the necessary education documents. We helped her dispute this error, and after the correction in the background report, Cassandra received her well-deserved promotion. Story 3. Tobias and incorrect financial information. Tobias discovered that he was denied a housing loan due to a poor credit history indicated by Accurate Background, which actually did not belong to him. This situation threatened his plans to purchase a home. Tobias reached out to us for help, and we directed the dispute process, during which it was revealed that data from another person with a similar name had been attached to his report. Correcting this data helped Tobias restore his credit history. Story 4. Alina and misunderstanding with previous employment. Alina faced rejection after an interview when the employer pointed out supposed gaps in her work history based on the report from Accurate Background. Alina, who had always prided herself on her continuous professional growth, was shocked. With our assistance, Alina was able to provide evidence of her continuous employment, and we successfully disputed this information. After correcting her report, Alina was invited to a new job. These stories highlight how errors in background reports can negatively affect people's lives and the importance of seeking professional help to correct them. How we can help correct errors in background checks. At our legal firm, we specialize in assisting clients who have encountered inaccurate information in background checks conducted through Accurate Background. We understand how errors in such reports can negatively impact your professional career, credit, and housing opportunities. Our team of experts possesses deep knowledge of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, and extensive experience in resolving such cases. We pride ourselves on hundreds of successful cases where our clients were not only able to correct errors in their background reports, but also restore their reputation. By turning to us, you get not just legal support, but a partner ready to protect your rights at every stage of the process. We operate on a pay-for-performance basis, meaning all legal and court costs are borne by the party that made the error in your report. Contact us today to start the process of correcting these errors and restoring your reputation. Our contact information is in the description. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and succeed.